thoughts? Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at Rainforest Cafe. I'm over here, my guys. Look, looks like me. He's literally my twin. Yeah, he looks like me. Welcome back to the fun. No, welcome back to the fun. Back to the fun, Javi. We're celebrating Javi's birthday, September 5th. He wanted to come to Rainforest Cafe. Once upon a time, there was a Rainforest Cafe at downtown Disney, but no longer. So we're doing it here in Las Vegas. Nona's birthday is also coming up September 3rd. She wants to go to a special donut shop tomorrow. We'll take her there tomorrow. Looks like they have a couple cakes to celebrate. Rainforest Tsunami cake. I believe it's this one. That looks awesome. It's kind of dark in here. That's how the theme is. This one looks awesome too. We got ourselves a table. We made reservations. There was a long line outside. Oh, there's some elephants over there. All right. Well, happy birthday, Javi. I got some lady right here making balloons right behind Brandon. We got our menu. Strawberry lemonade sounds real good right now. Made with real strawberries. We'll see about that. Oh, there's thunder and lightning. Oh, look at the elephants going crazy. Whoa. Butterfly. Toucan Sam over there. A zebra. Whoa! All right, the storm has passed. I think I'm gonna do it real big with the rib, steak, and shrimp trio. I always get this one. Used to be like $29.99. Jamaican Me Crazy pork chops looks good too. With tajadas, look at that. Plátano, that looks awesome too. Nona's favorite, shrimp and fish, Taste of the Islands looks good too. I changed my mind what I got. I'm getting what Nona gets. Looks like Javi is monkeying around over here. Get down there, Javi. Get down from there. Super cool, the sky. Night sky looks awesome. Nice looking bird. As you can see, nobody is trying to eat outside, even though there's awesome views. Maybe we could go outside and check out the view. Let me ask. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, it's too hot out here to dine out here, but it would have been awesome. Woo, we got better lighting. We got a big, beautiful butterfly over there. Nice tree, big old tree. Some misters. Maybe it ain't that bad out here. JK, it's pretty bad. But at least we got shade from the clouds. As soon as the clouds get out of the way, ooh, it's unbearable. It's 103 degrees today here in Vegas. That's Bubba Gump over there. Let's check out. I see a Tesla Cybertruck. Who's making all that noise? That's right, they're yellow out here. Somebody's probably dehydrated. All right, we got Aria back there. Over here, the Cosmopolitan. The Louis store. Prada. Only thing I got Louis is my wallet. That's about it. Back there is the New York and whatnot. Traffic. Cross bridge. All right, let's go back inside, my guys. Looks like we got Nona, me, and Brandon in the middle over there. He's flapping his big old ears. Looks like Nona and I just got everything the same, huh?
Copied your drink.
You copied my drink. I copied your plate. It looks like strawberry lemonade has puree at the bottom. Okay, not bad. I love the cup. Super cool. Thank you so much. Wow, that looks amazing. Damn. Enjoy. She got the same. You got like 2 fillets of fish. Look at that. Tilapia. 4 coconut shrimp and 4 grilled shrimp possibly. Rice, veggies, pineapple sauce. Newbie got a burger, chapa. Let me take a big old bite of this fish right here. Let's get some with some, what is this? Cucumber?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or zucchini.
I thought that would be like
It might be zucchini.
zucchini, cucumber, I don't know. Zucchini, yeah. What do you expect? We're in the forest. We got some rice with cucumber, with zucchini.
Welcome.
Shrimp. Javi got a pizza with fries. Enjoy. Happy birthday, my guy. Once again, Miguel went easy. Mac and cheese and fries. Cheese pizza with mac and cheese for Brandon. Good job. Enjoy, everybody. The sauce on the shrimp is a little spicy. It's so good. Fish is good. This pineapple sauce is good. This gets a 5 OMG tier. I like it. Love it. So far, so good. Highly recommend. Get this. You know I had to scrape the plate. It's gone. Rookie. So with the strawberry lemonade, you get a cup to go, but not this one. This one's glass. He said they're gonna give us a cup, probably plastic, down at the first floor. We're on the second floor right now. All right, my guy, here's the damage. 156 plus tip. Whoa! Look at these cool crayons. The gift shop. I don't want to fall. We got an alligator over here. We got to check him out. Oh, he's alive. Even though he got cut in his neck. He probably got a haircut. You got a cut, G? Got some cool umbrellas. Technically, we did get a souvenir because we bought those cups. There's gotta be. $12. Not bad. Kids. Okay, so those cups that we bought with our lemonade, it's not plastic, they're glass. That's awesome. Love it. We got ourselves a hot dog over here. Him too. Looks like me? Yeah, he looks like me. Alright, my guys, that's gonna do it for Javi's birthday dinner, I guess. We're just out here walking the beat. If you're enjoying the fun shows by using your thumb, like, share, and subscribe, hit the like button, smash it, do what you gotta do, comment if you like. Bye, my guys. LA Danny out. Bye, Javi. Bye.